All right, so question 10 on worksheet 1. Really the only way that you're going to move forward on this question is to notice that this is log base 3 and that's log base 3. They're separated with subtraction, so you should condense these into a single log base 3. X plus 2 came first, so that's your numerator. X came second, so that's your denominator. That has to be your first step. And if you don't see that condensing step, then you're just done for that question. You should absolutely expect us to put 1 or 2 solving an equation questions that require expanding or condensing. Okay, so that step's super important. Now, once it gets to this, you should be much more comfortable because most of the questions solve by switching its form. This is logarithmic form. This is its equivalent exponential form. And it looks like I still got several steps to go here. However, this is looking much more manageable. There's no logs in here, not solving for a variable that's stuck somewhere in the exponent. Well, be careful not to call 3 to the third 9 like I almost did. 3 times 3 times 3 would be 27. Multiply both sides by x. That way you don't have any fractions. Subtract an x from both sides. And divide both sides by 26. Reduce. Your answer should be 1/13. Now this is not one, when you see this on the test and it's no calculator, I guess you won't be 100% sure this is okay. This is where you need lots and lots of practice to build confidence. But you should at least plug it in and make sure that it's not extraneous. Make sure you're not taking the log of 0 or the log of a negative number. The log of 1/13 is fine. The log of 2 plus 1/13 is fine. So with that, I would call that good. But within your practice, as long as you're not relying on this to get your answer, I would store 1/13 in my calculator. I'm going to do this over here to the side. It never hurts to check. 1/13 is x, and then ask my calculator, is log base 3 of x plus 2 minus log base 3 of x. It's supposed to equal 3. My calculator told me that it does equal 3. So now I'm 100% sure that that answer is good. But notice I didn't need a calculator at all for that question. Obviously I prefer to have a calculator to check it at the end, but you don't have a calculator to check it on the test. So, okay, anything more specific about 10 while it's up?